Guys, this is buying opportunity for Neo. The stock is at $34.92. Please watch the full video to find out why we should still have faith in this company. Welcome back. Welcome back, guys. We're looking at the daily chart for Neo right now. We can see the stock opens up and then just tailoring down, have a huge downtrend. It's down 5% for the day. This is a great opportunity for anyone that missed out on the March 5th to March 8th or the mid-April to try get some shares today if you can. We can see right now that it breaks that $35. It goes as low as 34.84, but I will still hope it drops a little bit more today. Now I did pick up some shares at 34.90. Hopefully it holds for the day. If it starts to go lower, I definitely will add some more shares to my portfolio. Guys, keep in mind we saw the same play. If we go back in the last 3 months, we saw the exact same thing. If you look back on March 5th and March 8th, I tell a lot of people the same exact play happened. We need to take advantage. We look back here on March 5th, we see it breaks $32 per share. And then March 8th, we can see opens up 36 and then drops a little bit low. And then it spikes back up. Guys, we have to take advantage of these play because we look back on March 5th and March 8th, we saw as soon as it gets to March 11, a week later, it goes and breaks at $46 per share. And we saw the exact same play again. We look on the 26th of March, it came at down in 34. And by the 1st of April, we saw it breaks that $42 per share. So this is a buying opportunity. Now, I don't want to go over too much. If you need to know the full info, you can watch the other videos I create in terms of Neo. But you guys know I'm going with Neo for a few years now. We made a ton of profit. We were able to celebrate that success, but now it's time to reinvest in the company to make more profit going long term. Now I kept adding shares each time it goes down. Listen, guys, I buy shares and I sell shares, but I always keep a percentage of the shares hoping for this type of drop so I can make a lot more profit. This is a good opportunity. It is a perfect opportunity for anyone that needs to get into Neo at $35 per share. Now, I don't want to sound like a salesman. Definitely do your research. But me personally, this is a buying opportunity. Guys, once it hits that 34.84, I went in and I put a buy order at $35 per share because with me, I understand with my brokerage, sometimes it takes a long time to get filled. So I didn't want to miss out on an opportunity. So $35 is my golden mark for Neo. Each time it gets down below 34 or 31, I always buy as many shares before it hits back 35. Now, if it drops lower today in, say, 33.80, I'm still okay. I will definitely get some more shares to lower my average as well for the purchase of today's shares. But with all the shares I have and the distance I'm coming from, it's no big difference for me, guys. I've been buying Neo since it was $1.60, even prior to that 3 years. So I've gone through the ups and downs. So for me to make these and this purchase right now is pure profit I'm using. So it's not really touching much. But if you're looking for a short-term investment, I said short-term. If you're looking 1 to 3 months down the road, this is a perfect opportunity to make you at least 40-50% on your money. Now, obviously, if you're looking at going long term, say the next 2 to 4 years, then this is still a golden opportunity. Keep in mind, guys, if you compare with Tesla and with Neo have a great upside, not a great upside. Neo have the best upside right now to its company. We're looking at a company that should be the rival of Tesla, and it's trading at $35 per share. Now, right now, Tesla is trading at $650 plus per share. Now, it is a huge decline in terms of the performance of Tesla, but we have to understand it's based on what the market is giving us at the moment. We cannot change what's happening right now. Now, in terms of upside, Neo is pointing up, meaning that Neo have a lot of ground to catch up. Now, the recent news of its first store that's outside of China, that's opened up in Norway, this is a great step. This is a great move for Neo, and it's kind of reassure investors that Neo is looking to expand outside of China to get some of that global market. Keep in mind as well, guys, Neo is the main competitor in China in the EV space. The Tesla, the sales of EV cars for Tesla In total, I believe anywhere from 15 to 18% is coming from China. So if one place is bringing that much volume, then definitely Neo is in a great spot. They'll take half of the market in China, and we do understand with Li Autos and with Xpeng, their competitors as well. There's a few other companies that's coming out there as well, but still, it is a great opportunity for anyone that's going in. Buy Neo right now. Now, I've been saying this, guys, for 2 years, a lot before everyone was doubting. So I truly believe in the company. I truly believe in the mission where you're going. I personally put a lot of people on Neo, a lot of family, friends, anyone that's close to me and that asks, hey, I want to invest in Apple or Tesla. I definitely tell them, hey, invest in Neo first, make that chunk of money. Then you could diversify to other companies. Guys, listen, if you have invested $1,000 in Neo, right? If you have invested $1,000 or $2,000, for example, if you have invested $1,000 in Neo, us here, just pick any number, say $4.50 per share. Right? What am I doing here? I'm getting all confused. I'm excited. So at 222 shares, if we look at what Neo hit his peak, just say 60. We don't need to go over 60, right? But $1,000 would give you $13,000. That's 1,300%. If you're coming from where I'm coming from, and if you invested $1,000 per share, $1,000 investment, you're looking at 666 shares. If you look at the same number, 40K. Now, just imagine if you invested 10,000 or more at that time, you're looking at a huge payday, and you just keep on doing the same thing over and over and over. Now, guys, you could have invested 500. Don't get me wrong. You could have still invest 500. Everyone has 500. Most people have 500. That would still give you a huge 20 grand in terms of what you would receive. So that just show you in 1 year, or I'd say in 2 years, a $500 investment. $500. Think about it, guys. $500 could have given you $20,000. If we look at the same $500, say in Bitcoin, in the spring of last year when Bitcoin was trading low, and keep in mind these numbers I'm giving you is based on the conversion, right? So if we look at Bitcoin at its highest peak, I don't know, $7,000. So even $500 in Neo would have actually give you a bigger return than what you'd get in Bitcoin. This is why I think Neo is a great company for anyone of all ages, of all expertise to jump on board. Try to get some shares, even if you can get 10 shares, 100 shares, at least you're getting 10 shares of a company that will be moving towards the future aggressively. And this is how I say, you know what? I like to create these simple videos to let you know that, hey, we don't have to go into the more complicated investing style of things. Is just keep it simple. Let the people see what's going on, how you can make money, and then take advantage. Now, guys, I hope you watch this video. I don't want to rumble on too much, but if you like it, leave a comment, share. If you're already a subscriber, guys, I thank you 100% for the support. If you're not yet subscribed, please go ahead, hit that subscribe button. Until next time, guys, peace out.